Hi, gang. All ninth graders this year are required to take the STAR assessment for both reading and math. To do this, you'll need to log into your STAR account. Now, typically we do this in school. This year, we're making an exception due to COVID, and we're going to ask that you do this remotely, which means you will need to do your best work. All right, in order to log in, you'll need to start at the Sentinel Library page or the MCPS page and go to Web Connect. From Web Connect, you'll find the student column in the center and click on Star360. From Star360, you'll need to use your login that you used to log into the computer. Notice mine is saved in here, and it has the first part of my login, but not my email, my Gmail tag on it. So just the first part, and then it's my typical password. Now, if I logged in and showed you this, you would see the teacher side, but the student side is slightly different. It'll have three icons. It will have a Star360 math assessment, a Star360 reading assessment, and then it will also show you an orange button, I believe, that says Accelerated Reader. Now, the Accelerated Reader you can ignore for right now. You will need to take both the STAR reading and the STAR math assessments. Each of these have 34 questions, and each question is timed. 1 to 2 minutes is provided for the reading questions. It depends on the complexity. 3 minutes is given for each of the math questions. This means that you will need to allot approximately an hour for each the reading test and the math assessment. You'll need to remain focused, or questions will time out and be marked as incorrect. If the correct answer is selected but not submitted before the time runs out, it will still be scored as correct. A question's difficulty is contingent upon the correctness of your previous answers. So if you're doing well, the questions are going to get harder. If you're making some mistakes, the questions will get easier. You cannot revisit submitted questions or submitted answers. Now, before the actual test begins, there are 3 practice questions to ensure that you can use the program or that the software is running effectively. If you blow off these questions, the software may not allow you to go on to take the official assessment. Take this seriously. If you cannot take the test, you will need to contact the librarians to fix this. Your assessments need to be completed by Friday either way. Now, you may use a pencil and paper to assist you. You can't use anything else. Everything else that you need will show up in the computer program. For example, if you need a calculator, it will appear on the screen for you to use. Please do your very best work. You may not stop or pause the test, so when you sit down to take it, be prepared to complete it. If you have any questions, you may email your teachers or you may email the librarians. Do your best work, and thank you.